working on PowerPoint multi-project 2. We're currently working on the computer care project. Task 1 asks us to go to slide 5. Select the text that says update at least weekly. So we'll go ahead and do that. We'll select the outside edge of this text box. Because we have this selected, we have the drawing tools and format at the top. And then it's asking us to apply this word art style. So with that, we'll go ahead and we're on again in the word art styles. We'll click this down arrow and we'll go ahead and click this fill, text 1 shadow. We'll click mark completed. Task 2 asks us to go to the last slide and insert a hyperlink. So this computerstore.gmetrix.com is what we need. I actually selected too much. Be careful you don't select too much. With that selected, we're going to go to the Insert tab. We're going to click Hyperlink in the Links section. And what we need to do is we can actually just copy this because it's the same thing. We'll click Paste. I'd use Control-C and then Control-V to paste, but you could also type that. We'll click OK. And now that's become a hyperlink. We'll go ahead and click Mark Completed. Task 3 asks us to go to the last slide, which we're on. And in the lower right-hand corner, we're going to insert a text box. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll click, we're still on the Insert tab. We're in the text group. We're going to click Text Box. And let's just go ahead and drag there. And it tells us one of the first things we need to do is to change the width. So we'll go ahead and do that. We'll just bump this down to 2.5. You could also key in here and hit Enter. And it tells us to go ahead and insert the text. Questions? Feel free to contact us. If you're not careful in how you type it, you could type it wrong and get it, and it'll mark you wrong if you miss punctuation or you don't capitalize. That could also hurt you. So make sure you type it exactly as you see it in the step. Click Mark Completed. Task 4 asks us to change the layout of slide 3. So let's go ahead and scroll up to slide 3. And I'm on the Home tab now, and we're in the Slides group. We'll click the Layout drop down, and we're looking for To Content. Click Mark Completed. Actually, before we move on, we have to apply the Intense effect to that heart shape. So we'll go ahead and select the heart shape. We'll click, because we've selected that, we have the Drawing Tools and Format tab. So we'll go ahead and do that. And then where we need to go for this is actually in this area. So we'll click this Shape Styles drop down, and we're looking for Intense Effect Lavender. So I believe it's this one, Intense Effect Lavender Accent 6. If you're not sure, hover. It will give you the correct one. All right. Now we can click Mark Completed. And Task 5 asks us to go to Slide 2. And it says that we're going to apply a solid fill background to slide 2. So we're going to click the Design tab here, and all the way over to the right, we'll click that. Now, it's right now at a gradient, so we'll click Solid, and then our color right here is going to be blue. All right, click Mark Completed.